Hello Dnation and welcome back to a Diecast Motorcycle Unbox and Review episode. In today's episode, we are going to be reviewing the Harley Davidson 2013 FLHTK Electra Glide Ultra, which is a licensed special edition 118 scale diecast motorcycle manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, today for a change, there is not going to be a usual unboxing, but what I'm going to do instead is look up my 118 scale motorcycle gallery and pick out an awesome diecast motorcycle for today's episode. So all we got to do now is take a look at what we got in store for today's review and get this started. So what we're looking at today is a 118 scale licensed special edition diecast replica of the Harley Davidson 2013 FLHTK Electra Glide Ultra, which is manufactured by Maisto. And at first glance, this diecast cruiser motorcycle looks quite premium and has a good build quality and also has quite a bit of detailing to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with trademark paint apps with standard branding details and also has free rolling wheels, a kickstand, excellent suspension and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a premium collectible which is functional as well. And I'm glad I made a choice to get this variation, as I'll be able to add it to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the exteriors of this motorcycle. And with that out of the way, now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding this amazing diecast motorcycle replica in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast motorcycle. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Harley Davidson is an American motorcycle manufacturer founded in 1903 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It was one of the two major American motorcycle manufacturers to survive the Great Depression along with Indian motorcycles. The company has now become one of the world's largest motorcycle manufacturers and an iconic brand widely known for its loyal following. Harley Davidson is noted for a style of customization that gave rise to the chopper motorcycle style. The company traditionally marketed heavyweight, air-cooled cruiser motorcycles with engine displacements greater than 700cc, but it has since broadened its offerings to include more contemporary and middleweight street performance motorcycles. And for further information on Harley Davidson, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this amazing diecast motorcycle. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the 118 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this amazing diecast motorcycle review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.